Okay, guys, today we're going to be reviewing latitude and longitude on a globe. Okay, so on our first map here, taking a look at latitude. Latitude, the equator is the 0 point. Okay, so remember the equator is an imaginary line that runs halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. It is 0 degrees latitude. Okay, anything that is north of the equator is northern latitude. And you'll see on this map, it is separated every 15 degrees. So 15 degrees north, 30 degrees north, 45 degrees north, 60 degrees north, 75 degrees north, all the way up to the North Pole at 90 degrees north. Conversely, it works the same way south of the equator. Each line of latitude is a parallel line, which means it never intersects with another line. Okay, and because of this, these lines of latitude, they measure the distance from the equator, from the midpoint. So when we talk about 15 degrees north, we are 15 degrees north of the equator, or 30 degrees north of the equator. Taking a look at the longitude map, okay, the prime meridian serves as 0 degrees. It runs through an imaginary line going through a part of London, England called Greenwich. So this is 0 degrees longitude. And again, anything east of the prime meridian are degrees of longitude east, like 15 degrees east, 30 degrees east, 45 degrees east, 60 degrees east, 75 degrees east, 90 degrees east. But then it continues on the reverse side. Okay, so it'll go up to 105, 120, 135, 145, 150. Okay, and then up to 165, all the way up to 180 on the opposite side on the antimeridian that runs on the opposite side of the globe from the North Pole to the South Pole. Everything works conversely on the west side of the prime meridian: 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, getting up to 165, all the way again to 180 on the opposite side of the globe on the antimeridian. So again, lines of longitude, again, they are measuring the distance from the prime meridian. Here we have a global grid. And so this is how we find things on the map. Okay, coordinates are always given latitude first and then longitude. So for example, 15 degrees north, we would go 15 degrees north of the equator. And then 15 degrees west, we would go 15 degrees west of the prime meridian. So 15 degrees north and 15 degrees west, you can see, is located right here in Western Africa. Okay, using this grid style, you should be able to find any location on the map. Again, the first number being the line of latitude, so it's important that in a coordinate, your first number is either going to be north or south of the equator, and the second numbers are either going to be east or west of the prime meridian, unless it falls on the equator or the prime meridian. So as you can see here, 0 degrees latitude and 0 degrees longitude is right here in the Atlantic Ocean.